Hey, welcome to Halloween Shopping Saturdays. This is Rex, and if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. Anyway, we got a mask here to unbox from Immortal Mask. Anyway, Halloween Shopping Saturdays. Let's check it out. It's a silicone mask, and I got it from their in-stock purchase. Which the in-stock masks are a little bit cheaper right now. Whatever, right? Oh gosh, it's a big knife to be doing this stuff with. Where's my little knife at, right? Anyway, I'm excited. Alright, here we go. I kind of wanted this mask back in the winter, and I wanted it for a little while. I know a lot of people said, don't get that mask. I don't know about that. Looks cool or not. But it's a half mask, so it's half price. And not just half mask, half price. What it was it was on sale because they had it in stock. Stuff pre-made. Go to Immortal Mask and check out their in stock mask. I'm pretty sure the sticker is probably on in the other box with just one of these busts on there. Whatever you call them. Anyway, let's get this mask out. Wow. Look at this in here. Let's see what it looks like. I think it's called the Ringmaster. The clown version with horns. And these are like brown horns, small horns, and they're just rubbery. Like, well, silicone. And they're sticking inside. But I'm going to clean up this mess real quick. And I'll be right back. I got this stuff everywhere. Reminds me of like little cheese puffs, but they're white. Actually, no, I can't eat them. Anyway, be right back, man. Okay, I just got the mess cleaned up. And this is actually the Jester, not clown. I couldn't remember. It's the Ringmaster. I knew that. The Ringmaster looks weird in general. Those big ears, big floppy ears. But I figured when he has the horns on here, he looks more devilish. And the ears don't stick out as much. I didn't like the big ears. I didn't like them. But with the paint, the Jester paint, I guess you call it, and the black around the eyes is always cool. Because you wear black in the eyes, I can wear the black thick makeup right there, and it'll look like it's formed in my face perfectly. But anyway, this is the Ringmaster Flesh Jester. And wow, he does look cool. Look at that. Take a look at this guy. That is sweet. I like him. Alright, let's go ahead and get them on. Alright, here we go. And this is called a head form. I gotta remember that. This thing's slippery too. Like, whoa, slides right out of my hand. Head form. I can't smell nothing. Shut up, right? Alright, now this here, being a half mask, you know how some of my half masks, they have a long neck on them, so they come down lower. This one here don't come down that low. It's called flesh color, but my color and my flesh don't like that color. Usually I'm more tan than this, but it's whatever. You gotta wear a shirt that comes up higher. All right, here we go. Let's see here. Let's see what it's gonna look like. Oh yeah, that fits me really good. See, now if I put a little black makeup right here, boom, boom, the good stuff too. It'll look legitly awesome. The mouth is pretty thick. It goes back in there a good ways. There's my teeth right there. Of course you could put fake teeth in there, you know what I mean? Gotta have a little bit of makeup right there though. Just a little bit, not much. And just black is it. You know, I like masks like this because you put that black, boom, you're good. just like my crinkles got a little black. Look at my crinkles mask. It's got a little black right there, right on the line. Perfect. And we put black in there, it looks like it's your face, you know? And it's just the way the masks are set up. Some of them aren't set up like that, and to me, it's one characteristic I really like. But these horns are really cool. Look at this. It's pretty good detail. Check it out. Ha ha ha. I like it. Yeah, don't come down that far. But like, I figured I could wear my Rexstick jacket. Let's see what this looks like with it. What am I, some type of clown or something? Wow, I like it. Ha ha ha. Alright, let's take it off. Anyway, this is what I look like really. I think this is scarier than the mask, but let's look at the detail on this here. The ears, little holes, good, nice thick. It's pretty thick. It's like old man head on it. It's got some veins over here though. I don't know if you can see them or not. Little vein looking things. You can actually feel them a little bit. There's little horns come out of. It's real spongy. It's pretty thick too. Check out the horns there. Pretty nice. Everything's good in detail with this company, always. You can see the little vein looking stuff right there. The paint looks like it's rubbing off. The face paint. Anyway, peace out. Comment if you want to talk about anything down below, and make sure you catch my next mask. I'm getting another one from Immortal Masks. Got 2 more coming. I already bought one like 2 months ago. Got a zombie style one and got one that lights up, and I can't wait. So I got a couple more coming. Just make sure you stay tuned, and if you want to know anything else about this, let me know. Peace and have fun horror shopping or Halloween shopping, whatever you want to say. Peace.